Set on a beautifully landscaped, oversized lot, this airy Gambrel Colonial is within walking distance to the water and popular Pawtuxet Village. The hardwood floors gleam with natural light that pours into the open floor plan. The front walkway is lined with mature plantings and leads into a welcoming entry. Host family and friends in the large living room or relax in the adjoining sunroom. Prepare meals in the chef's kitchen, boasting granite counters, stainless steel appliances, and a gorgeous dining area. At the rear of the first floor is a tiled bathroom with a walk-in shower and laundry area, and a bedroom or office that leads to the spacious deck. From out here, you can look out over the fenced-in lot lined with greenery that provides ample space for outdoor gatherings and meals. On the second floor are two generous bedrooms with vaulted ceilings that share a tiled bathroom. Additional living space can be found in the finished basement, where you can create a terrific family room. Nearby Pawtuxet Village is a haven of local shops and dining options. Narragansett Bay is close by and features magnificent scenery, along with multiple marinas. Walk along the paths at the local parks, including Roger Williams Park, where you can also visit the zoo and Carousel Village. From this quiet neighborhood, you can easily travel to the beaches of southern Rhode Island or commute swiftly to downtown Providence and its illustrious culture. For more information, please visit the property website or call Barbara Dacey at area code 401-527-6745.